things with people. I think nowadays, especially when you look at, let's just say, my age and younger, the whichever generation they're named, y- they take offense at like everything. So, if you have a red shirt on, they're going to be offended because maybe red represents something that only they know about, but they're going to be mad at you for wearing that shirt. Or if you have a certain brand of shoes, it means you're this type of person and they don't like those people, so they don't like you. And who knows why? It's foolishness, really. And so I think that's part of it where a lot of people nowadays, because of that, maybe just because of these really kind of meaningless, stupid issues, that they're worried about, well, I can't even talk about something that matters because these people can't even comprehend something that doesn't matter. And so they might be afraid to answer these more serious questions or to even talk about things like the general rule that most people have of we don't talk about politics or religion. And it's like, wait a minute, we should be talking only about religion because if they don't know Jesus, that doesn't matter. They're going to hell. Like, that's our purpose. We have to be sharing Jesus with all of these people. And to have this rule of, oh no, we don't talk about religion, well, then how are we to share Jesus with them if we're not talking about religion? Religion, I understand Jesus didn't come here to form religion, but that's like the gateway into, hey, yeah, what faith are you? Oh, you're this, or oh, I don't believe in that because it's too offensive, or whatever the reason is. So I think to answer the question a little bit more specifically, why would people be afraid of being trapped in something, whether it's their words, a certain issue, could be any number of topics, abortion, any of these politically and religious or Bible-based issues. I think the bottom line is that they're afraid because they don't want to offend people, and they also don't want to feel like they are attacked, or they don't want to feel like they are being put down or singled out. And I think just based on our humans, we like to see confirmation from other people. Like if I say something and like people around the room are like, yeah, amen, amen. Or if I say something and everyone's like, oh, I don't agree with that, or boo, or get him off, which one is going to reinforce what I'm saying? And so if you're not very popular in your belief, which maybe the Bible isn't so popular right now, it's going to be harder to continue. And I think some people might say, well, rather than push through the difficulty, I don't even want to go there. I don't even want to bring it up. And they're afraid.